So the legendary Valentino Rossi might have hung up his professional racing letters, but don't be fooled. The man still has speed to burn. In a recent joint training session at the Algarve Portimao Circuit, Rossi showed that he's anything but slow, clocked in just a hair behind Luca Marini's lap time with the fire blade, and leaving Bastianini's penningly free-fall in the dust. Talk about zooming through retirement. The Doctor's need for speed was on full display as he tore down the Algarve straight on his trusty Yamaha R1, sporting the GYTR livery. And hey, let's not forget, he's still a Yamaha brand ambassador, so it's only fitting that he's sticking with the R1 for his training antics. It's clear that Rossi's throttle twisting days are far from over, and who knows, maybe we'll see him popping wheelies and leaving rival in the dust for years to come. Retirement? Not for the speed demon.
Niente, che siamo qui a Portimao, stiamo divertendo, prima uscita con Samurai Cup.
Subscribe for more updates.